Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I have a different kind of video for you guys today. I've seen these floating around my YouTube feed and my subscription box, whatever it's called nowadays. I've never clicked on one because I didn't want to be sad. I've been on YouTube for what feels like forever, and yeah, I don't have the views or the subscribers. I love you guys. I don't want to take you guys for granted, but I mean, I don't get very many views or subscribers. And so I have a feeling what I got paid for my viral video is quite a bit lower than a lot of these videos I'm seeing. So anyway, I hope I do this right. If you didn't know, I'm also a full-time freelance digital marketer. So I wanna kind of bring some insight into this. I don't wanna just make it like funny or whatever. I wanna give some analysis into why this video performed so well and whether or not I should be making more content like my viral video. So we're gonna kind of dive into it from a marketing perspective. Okay, so my viral video, or my most viewed video ever, it is called How Much I Made, oh no, that's what this video is called, wow. Wow. Where Are We From? Ancestry DNA Results 2017. It was posted in March of 2017, so almost 3 years ago now. And I filmed this video with my partner and we did our ancestry DNA test. If you don't know what that is, you spit into a tube and you find out like allegedly where your ancestors were from. I'm not gonna ruin it because if you wanna find out, go ahead and watch it. I'll link it down below. But anyway, it was pretty fun. I want to talk about number one, why this got so many views. As of today, as of me recording this, it has 347,003 views, which like I said, it's not a million, it's not 10 million, but for me, that's a lot. Like I'm lucky if I get 10,000 views on a video, or 1,000 views even, is pretty like good for my channel. So that was definitely viral to me. So I want to talk about real quick before we get into, you know, the numbers, the money, why this video performed so well. First thing is the content. I don't get it, I really don't understand it, but my most asked question on YouTube, in real life, on social media is, where are you from? What's your ethnicity? What race are you? Blah, blah, blah. Do you speak this language? Do you speak this? Are you from here? I get this question all the time. I don't get it because I feel like I look exactly like what I am. Again, you can watch the video if you want to see what I am, but people are puzzled by it. People are like, I don't know, they're always asking me about it. So I think the content alone, and the fact that Norris and I were both in the thumbnail and we're two very different looking people, and I think it was something that people were interested in. Before I got my ancestry DNA test in the mail, all I did was obsessively watch YouTube reveals of other people. And I know that when I was looking for them in the, you know, feed, I was interested in the ones that like, there were two people, because it was like you get kind of 2 for 1. And I was also interested in people who maybe I couldn't put my finger on it right away. I was like, oh, maybe they're this or maybe they're that. I always thought that was kind of interesting. So I do think just the thumbnail and like the way that we looked drew people in. The second thing that I think made this video so well viewed is the SEO. So I did do a lot of research on this video, and I would say that I optimized it pretty dang well for search. Nothing that I haven't really shared before. I actually have a video all about SEO on YouTube. I'll link that in the description box as well. But yeah, I think I really took my time with it and optimized it for SEO. And I mean, for a long time, for like the first year and a half that this video was up, it was number 1 or number 2 when you searched for ancestry DNA results 2017. Like it was the top result. And the last reason I think it performed so well is I shared it a lot. So I actually shared this video with my friends and family, which I like never do. I shared it on my personal Facebook. Norris might have as well, because he was in it as well. And, you know, I don't normally do that. I don't know. I just feel a little weird like asking my friends and family, my real life friends and family, to watch my stuff. But I do think that they were really interested in it because it's your family. So by proxy, like this is kind of their history too, or ancestors too. So I think like people watched for a long time and they watched till the end, both my friends and family and strangers, because it's a reveal, right? So it's like leading you up to, I want to see what their results were. I want to see what their results were. So they watched for a long time, and watch time is a really important metric on YouTube. Now, the last thing I'll say is I also think we were really happy and really excited. We were like so geeked about finding out our results. And I just think that that encouraged people to stick around and made it an enjoyable video to watch. And I think that definitely helped with like retaining our viewership and things like that. All right, so here's what you guys are all here for. In 3 years, this is a long time, this made me $920.35. So that's a lot of money. I mean, if somebody were like, hey, will you do an ancestry video for $920? I'd be like, heck yeah. But that's over the span of 3 years. So that's what, like $300 a year or something is what I earned from that video. So not a ton. I mean, again, I didn't watch any of these other videos. So I'm gonna watch after I publish this and see what the comparison is. But I don't think that's that much. The thing about YouTube is it's not like I uploaded this video and I got $900. It's not like I uploaded this video and got 500. It just slowly, every single month, you see a little bit of an increase of your total YouTube revenue. I don't know if that really makes sense, but it's not like I got a lump sum or anything like that for this. So it was maybe like, okay, $50 the month that I posted it. And then like the next month it was another $50 or $70 or whatever it is. So it doesn't feel like it made that much money because it was over a span of 3 years. But another thing I do want to say about this is that I actually made quite a bit more from this video, if I'm being honest, because Ancestry, I don't know if they still do this or not, but they had a referral program. So I got a referral link and I put it in my description box and said, hey, if you want to do your Ancestry DNA test, use my link. And I think it gave some kind of a discount or something like that. For everybody who purchased a kit through my link, I got a $10 Amazon gift card. So I guess it wasn't technically money, but I mean, you could buy anything on Amazon. So it was basically money to me. And I know I did a case study on this for one of my courses. And I believe when I did that and I pulled those numbers like a year or two ago, I was up to about $500 in Amazon gift cards. So technically speaking, I probably earned about $1,400 or $1,500 from this video overall, which is pretty cool. Again, like it's something that I wanted to do for me and it was fun. It was a fun experience both for Norris and I, and it earned me money. So I'm not complaining, but I do think that it illustrates the point that like YouTube does not make you rich, especially if you are a creator of my size, you know, on the platform. Now, okay, I want to talk about whether or not I should do more videos like this and why I have or have not. So I originally wanted to call this video like my experience going viral because I actually had a really hard time with this because it has to do with like race and ethnicity and stuff like that. I actually got a lot of negativity from this video. I got a lot of people telling me I wasn't this or I was this or saying racial slurs to me, which was really hurtful and just like something that I'm not used to. Of course, obviously I have gotten, unfortunately, those things on this platform, but they're pretty far and few between because I'm not talking about those issues. So I'm not like inviting that kind of conversation. So it was hard for me. It also attracted some kind of like creepy comments from dudes and things like that. Now I did do a couple of kind of follow-ups to this video where I tried out the other one, 23andMe, I think. And I also did like another update video because Ancestry updates their results every once in a while or something. I don't know. So I did a couple of videos that were updates. They also performed well, but not as well. Like they got, I don't know, like 6,000 views, 7,000 views, something like that. Maybe I'll put the numbers of how much I made from those ones up here on the screen. I didn't research that. But yeah, I did do a couple of updates, mainly because I was really geeked out about this topic at that time. Even though I got some hurtful comments and things like that, I was still really fascinated with like exploring my ancestral makeup and stuff like that. It was really cool. I was like really nerdy about it at the time. So I really just wanted to share more results and like cross-check, I guess, with 23andMe, a competitor, see like what the results were for them. They also had a health element. So anyway, it was really just because I was being nerdy, not so much because I was looking for the views. I mean, obviously that was a part of it. It was like, oh, okay, this type of content performs well, so I'm going to do more of it. But it wasn't like, oh my gosh, I need to become rich from it, or I need to like, you know, be the Ancestry girl. That wasn't really my goal. So I also didn't want to become the Ancestry girl because of a couple of reasons. Well, one, yes, it brought a lot of eyes to my channel, but it honestly didn't bring a lot of subscribers to my channel because it's just not the type of content that you subscribe for. Unless I'm like an anthropologist, is that what they're called? A genealogist, I think is what they're called. Unless I was doing true genealogy content, no one's gonna stick around to see like my marketing video come up after that. Like it's just a complete disconnect. They're not related topics at all. And looking back, I honestly probably, I don't know. I don't really know why I uploaded that to this channel. I maybe should have just done it on like Facebook or Instagram or something like that. That's more of a personal channel because it doesn't align with any of my other content. So even if I did get subscribers from that video, I mean, I hope, hey, if you're here and you enjoyed it and you still enjoy this content, awesome, welcome. But I don't think many people did. I also think that if I were to do another video, like maybe I did a different, you know, brand of DNA test or something like that today, and I did decide to do it, it's kind of lost its intrigue, right? Like my subscribers have probably all seen that viral video, the first video, so they know what my background is. So it's not a mystery anymore. So I don't think it would perform as well. But I guess who really knows? You can only try. But I probably won't be trying anymore. And that's the other thing too, is like the whole ancestry DNA test. They have a lot of controversy about them. A lot of people think that they're gonna like be falsely imprisoned for stuff. I don't know. There's like a lot of drama, which I don't know. I kind of feel neutral about it, but I totally understand if you don't want to do them for that reason. But I don't also think it's a reason to harass someone on the internet for doing them. So it was just a lot of controversy, kind of a lot of drama for my channel, and probably wouldn't be replicating that success. So let me know in the comments if you've ever went viral. Again, I'm putting it in quotations because I know it's not really viral, but it's viral for me. Let me know if you've ever experienced something like that, and thumbs up the video if this was interesting or helpful, or if you just enjoyed hanging out with me. And of course, please subscribe to the channel. I post videos every single week. They're normally about freelancing and digital marketing and things like that. So I will see you in my next one. Thanks again for watching, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.